Here we got a few carrier units at a church. Here's this one. This is a performance series. It's got a sound blanket, but I think it's a cold scroll compressor inside it though. It's got swept wing fan blade, it's got the ECM motor. It's from 2022 and it's 5-ton. That has been running. Here we got a carrier comfort. LG scroll compressor. (2019) 5-ton. Not been running. There's another carrier comfort. It's also got an LG scroll. There's the data. There's another carrier comfort. This one also has an LG scroll. Imagine the data is the same. Yep, 2019, 5-ton. It's not been running. Here we have this carrier Weathermaker unit. This unit is really nice. It's got a sound blanket. It's from 1999. It's 3-ton. It's not been running. Here we got a carrier performance series. It's got a sound blanket. It's from 2017. It's a 4-ton. It's not been running. There's a Mitsubishi City Multi back there. I'm not gonna get back there though. Here we got this carrier 2000 silencer system. It's got a sound blanket. There's the data right there. It's from 1999. It's 4-ton. Here's a Payne. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. It's from 2012. It's 4-ton. Not been running.